Hello, welcome to Lost Food and Barbecue. Let's make grilled chicken salad. Okay, so first off, we've got some chicken thighs without bone, but with the skin on. And dousing them in a little bit of lemon juice, and then I'm using Chef Merito chicken seasoning. And this was given to me by Kirby when I visited the States last fall, and it's really good on chicken. Or last summer it was. Anyway, using a pump up bottle with olive oil just to get some oil on the grates, and then putting the chicken on there. I've got the heat somewhere between medium and high, and I let it cook for about 15 minutes to get it done. I wanted it to be 165 or 72 Celsius just to be sure that it was done. This actually went a bit beyond that. I think it went to about 180, which is good. It's chicken, you just have to be safe. So I moved them around quite a lot just to utilize the heat. And as you can see, chicken fat burns. Anyway, starting to close in on it. Here we go, temping them, and then it was time to take them off. Using, of course, a new spatula and a new cutting board, or I didn't have a cutting board before. Anyway, putting them up, and I figured I was going to take a nice picture of them. So I tried to look for the sun and get it in the right angle. So a slow-mo. This was really, really good. Give it a try. Anyway, that was it. Cutting it into slices, adding it to a plate some salad. It's just a mixed salad with some mozzarella and some hard cheese. I don't remember what hard cheese it was. Could have been Gruyere or something. And that's it. Based with that and a vinaigrette, and then some chicken. Perfect summer's meal for a, well, almost summer's day. It was nice. Just a taste. There we go. Some chicken salad, seasoning the chicken with I have to read this. Chef Merito chicken seasoning sazonador para pollo that Kirby gave me. So this is the second meal in a week with spices from Kirby. Thank you, Kirby. I'm gonna try the chicken now. It's really nice. Again, I didn't have lime, so I used lemon. Yeah, worked nice. Really nice. And the salad that Helena made, really good. Some mozzarella and some veggies. Thank you for watching. Bye.